Then let's try to solve problems given here. I have friendly company provided the following data at year-end. We have items counted in the bodega, meaning this is the physical count or kumbaga sa periodic system siya. We have 4 million. Tapos, items included in the count, specifically segregated for per sales contract. So, included siya sa count. Pero, dapat ba siyang i-consider as inventory? 'Di ba hindi? Kasi nga, specifically segregated na siya. Ibig sabihin, may-ari na talaga sa kanya. Or, bayad na siya kasi may sales contract ka eh. So, hindi mo na siya inventory. Bawas mo siya kay 4 million. Items in receiving department, returned by customers in good condition. Add mo siya. Kasi hindi naman siya nasama sa count. Dahil naki-customer siya before. Tapos, items ordered and in the receiving department, invoice not received. I-add mo to. 400,000. Kasi, nasa receiving department mo na siya eh. Kahit wala pa yung invoice, pero nasa yun na siya, edi ownership mo na siya. Next is, items ordered, invoice received, but the goods are not received. Freight is paid by the seller. Ibig sabihin, ano to, FOB destination siya. So, wala kang gagawin sa kanya. Items shipped today, invoice mailed, FOB shipping point. Ikaw ang nag-ship, tapos FOB shipping point, edi kay buyer na yon, hindi mo siya isasama. Next is item shipped today, invoice mailed, FOB destination. Ikaw si seller, ikaw ang nag-ship, inventory mo to. Add mo siya, 150,000 pesos. Items currently being used for window display, add mo to dahil sa'yo siya for window display. On the counter, yung mga items sa counter for sale, i-add mo rin siya kasi inventory mo siya. Items sa receiving department refused by us because of damage. Hindi mo siya isasama kasi nga damage siya, hindi na siya saleable. Items included in count, damage and unsaleable. And ganun din, hindi mo rin siya isasama. Pero ito kasi, kasama siya sa count, so isusubtract mo siya. Last is items in the shipping department. Add mo to kasi nga, hindi siya nasama sa count doon sa bodega. So, ang ending inventory mo, or ang tamang count ng inventory mo is 5,700,000 pesos.